In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Siteground Migrator for 2024. Whether you're moving your website to a new host or just looking to ensure a smoother transition, Siteground provides an easy to use tool for migrating your site with minimal hassle. I'll walk you through each step to make this process as straightforward as possible. To start, head over to the Siteground website. Remember, it's always a good idea to bookmark the page for quick access if you plan to revisit frequently. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your Siteground account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. After logging in, navigate to your My Siteground account dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll find all your website tools and settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's packed with useful features for managing your site. Next, locate and click on Site Tools. This section is vital for accessing specific functionalities for your hosted sites. Once inside, you'll see various categories. Look for the one labeled WordPress. Siteground has streamlined the migration process for WordPress users, making this an excellent option if you run your website on this platform. Inside the WordPress section, you'll find the Migrator tool. This is where the magic happens. The Migrator is equipped to move your entire website, including databases and all associated files, with just a few clicks. Click on Migrator to begin the process. Before proceeding, ensure you've backed up your website. While Siteground's tools are reliable, having a backup adds an extra layer of security in case anything goes wrong. After securing your backup, follow the prompts provided by the Migrator tool. You'll likely need to generate a token on your new hosting site and input that into Siteground's system to start the migration. Once everything is set, initiate the migration. The tool will start transferring your site, which might take a while depending on the size of your data and internet speed. You can monitor the progress, and once completed, double check everything on your new host to confirm successful migration. And there you have it, you've successfully migrated your site using Siteground's Migrator tool. It's designed to simplify the migration process, reducing stress and potential errors. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Siteground support, as they're very responsive and always ready to help. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your site migration.